Hold your horses, guys. We know you're excited about today's method, but you're going to have to take it slow because what we're going to be sharing with you guys today isn't something a lot of people know about yet. And we need you guys to understand that the only way to go about today's method is to watch our video until the very end, follow our very specific instructions only. It's very easy and quick to maneuver through, and we're going to be walking you through the whole process step by step. We're going to teach you how to use this website to make this amount of money every single day. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First thing that we want you guys to do is open up g2.com. And on this website, you will find that they offer a variety of softwares. Some you know, most you probably do not. As you can see right here, all of the software and even their ratings, so you can have a gist of how they perform and if they're even efficient. Now, people may overlook its importance, but these ratings actually play a big part for the developers and most especially the consumers. The thing that we're going to be discussing is actually rating these softwares and getting compensated for it. You're probably expecting it to be difficult, but it's really not, and we think you're actually going to be surprised. Now on this webpage, scroll down and look for this Write a Review section and click on the Write a Review button. What you're going to do is write a review on a particular website/software and get paid for it. As soon as you click on that button, you are going to be taken over to this page right here. And as you can see, there are some steps that you're going to have to follow. First thing you're going to have to do is select a software that you want to leave a review on or that you want to rate. Then you're going to proceed to writing a review for that chosen software of yours. Then share it on LinkedIn. Then, just like that, you're all done. With those simple, short, and sweet steps, you're going to be able to make money like you've never earned before. Plus, you can do as many times as you'd like, which means you can also make money as many times as you'd like. So let's dive in deeper. First step is to choose a role, and preferably something you're most familiar with or what you work with the most. In that way, your review will be more accurate and easier for you to write about. Selecting a role from these options will help you choose a specific software easier. As you can see, there are a lot of options that you can choose from, so just choose whatever software or work relates to you. For the sake of this video, we are going to choose information technology, and then that should take you to here. And again, as an example, let's choose Google Cloud Storage, since that's what we're most familiar with, and we're sure you guys know just as much as we do about Google. You're then going to see that you've selected one product. You can obviously choose more than one, that's completely fine, and we do recommend that you do. But for the meantime, and again for the sake of today's video, we're just going to stick with this. Now let's click on continue right here, and that should take you to this page that asks you to write a review on the products you've chosen. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Just click on the review button to finally start writing. But before anything else, you are going to have to create an account on G2 first. So go ahead and do that. And once you create an account, that's when you can really write a review. and give your rating and start making money. Just click on this blue button right here. Then you can choose to sign up with your email, LinkedIn, or your Google. It's completely up to you. Once you're all verified and completed in that part, you can move on to the next step. You can now go ahead and start writing your review. And just follow as per instruction, rate it honestly and genuinely, then you're gonna proceed to write your review. But first, you're gonna need a title. Now, bonus tip, go on Google and then look up reviews on Google Cloud Storage or reviews on whatever software it is that you chose to rate. And review, because those results will help you make a title for your review and even help you construct a review of your own without having to think about your review so hard. Now put in your title. Then once you have a title, you're going to fill up the following boxes accordingly. What's great about this is since you took the initiative to look through the rest of the reviews, you know what you want to write on yours, which means you can make your review better than the rest. And you never know, you could become a crowd favorite. Our bonus tip also helps us out when we want to leave ratings, even for those softwares or apps that we've never even tried in our life before. So that just doubles its power and use, so it's important to take note of that as well. Again, all of this is 100% free. As soon as you submit your review, you're gonna get paid just like us. You can do this as many times as you'd like, and we suggest that you do so that you can make money over and over again and accumulate a lot of money until you just have so much of your own money that you can literally do anything that you've always dreamt of. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. So go ahead and try out today's method and let us know how it goes for you in the comments down below. Before we wrap it up, let's do a little recap. First thing you want you to do is go on g2.com, sign up, click on the write a review, follow the steps in writing a review, submit that review, and that is basically all you need to remember and all you need to do.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.